Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share to you how to make mangosteen tea. Step 1. Wash the mangosteen fruit. Step 2. Cut the mangosteen fruit using a knife. Don't cut all the way through. Just make an incision in the rind all the way around. This way, you won't damage the flesh inside too much. The rind has potent juice that can splatter on your clothing that cause stains, and it's very hard to remove, so you have to be careful when cutting this kind of fruit. Step 3. After making the cut, pull apart the skin with both hands to expose the inner parts. The white parts are the flesh of the fruit that can be eaten. The taste is much sweeter and it's very delicious. However, for the preparation of our tea, it's the outer rind that we actually need, not the fruit inside. Step 4. Rind is used when dried to make the tea. Scrape the inside soft skin with a spoon. When making this, you have to use a gloves to avoid the stain in your hands. And this how it looks. Just simply place the rind in a tray. Step 5. Dry them outside. Dry them for 2 to 3 days under the sun, or you can microwave them for faster drying. Once dried completely, you can store them in an airtight container. And this is how I use it when making a tea. I boil the water first. Just simply add some pieces of dried rind into your cup. Pour some hot water into your cup. Or you can simply boil the mangosteen rind. And you can add a tablespoon of honey to give it a taste. And a squeeze of lemon juice. And that's how I make my tea. I hope you like this video, guys. Enjoy your tea. Bye.